For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to align separate audio with a video. Now, the audio is recorded with an iPhone, and you're videotaping with an iPhone as well. So the first thing we do is we launch iMovie. And we open up a new project, and we say Movie. And I'm just going to hit Create Movie here, as opposed to choosing a clip. And going into my video clips, I am going to choose one of the recently added videos, which isn't so recent. We'll go back down here, and it's the green screen clip here. So I'm going to tap on this, and I'm going to say plus, and it's going to go in there. As you can see, I've already got the audio expanded here. And if we watch it closely, I'm just going to go along here. I make Mario here clap. Now you can see there's a spike in the audio right there, a very sharp spike. That's when he clapped. And that's really important when you're aligning your audio. So now we exit this, and we're going to go into Voice Memo, where I have his recording into his phone. And the way you get this into iMovie is you simply hit the up arrow and you share it to iMovie. Let's go in here and we find iMovie, copy to iMovie. Okay, you tap that and you say, where do you want it? And it's going to be in the last edited. So, and then it drops it automatically into here. Now you can see by this waveform here that the same spike is actually further along. So we're going to have to align this so that it lines up. So the easiest way to do that is let's shorten this clip down to look similar to the other clip. I'm going to go there, and it's going to be slightly off. Go like that, and you just sort of visually align them. That's still slightly off, so I'm going to shorten this clip a bit and just move it over until they're visually in line. So now they're visually in line, and if we listen to this one, I'm just going to go to this one. I'm going to turn the audio off on that, and we will play the audio from the original clip.
Give me a good clap. Awesome. Okay. We're here on.
We can hear that, or we can click on this one and we can take this one down and then bring this audio up to 100% and play that one.
Clap. Okay. Give me a better clap.
And hopefully,
Give me a good clap.
There.
Awesome.
Okay.
it is.
We're here on Main Street in
And so that's how we align audio from a separate source into the video. So the final step is to actually exit the edit and save this video combined with that audio. So all you have to do is tap Save Video, and now that audio is permanently combined with that video to be used in additional aspects of the project. And where this really comes in handy is when you're shooting zoomed in from a distance, where normally you wouldn't be able to pick up any audio. In this case, I was pretty close, so the audio wasn't too bad, even very close. But when you're at a distance, you won't be able to pick up anything with your phone. So if you do separate audio, that makes a huge difference. So hopefully this was helpful.